Presiden Prabowo Subianto bertemu dengan Presiden Amerika Serikat Joe Biden di Gedung Putih, Washington DC pada Selasa 2 November 2024 waktu setempat. Setidaknya ada 7 hal yang dibahas Prabowo dan Biden saat bertemu. Dikutip dari Tribun Timur dan Kompas.com, pertemuan tersebut menyinggung masalah iklim, konflik di Timur Tengah hingga Laut Cina Selatan. Tidak hanya itu, Prabowo dan Biden turut menyoroti berbagai macam hal, mulai dari situasi di Palestina, pengembangan teknologi reaktor nuklir kecil, hingga program makan gizi gratis. Selain itu, Presiden Prabowo menyampaikan rasa terima kasihnya atas hubungan persahabatan yang erat antara Indonesia dan Amerika Serikat. Menurutnya, hubungan persahabatan tersebut berjalin sejak masa perjuangan kemerdekaan Indonesia. Dalam pertemuan tersebut sekaligus memperingati 75 tahun hubungan diplomatik Indonesia dan Amerika Serikat. Biden pun ingin membahas upaya dalam memperkuat kemitraan dua negara ini. Ia juga mengatakan kemitraan Indonesia-Amerika Serikat saat ini lebih kuat dari sebelumnya.
Mr. President, it's very kind of you, great honor.
I'll just meet with my son. Meet my son, Hunter.
Mr. President,
How are you? How are you, sir?
honored to meet you.
How are you, sir?
The Chief of Protocol. I'm the Chief of Protocol.
How are you?
The same Chief of
Dad, you need protocol. Come on, come on.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
You can be here.
Thank you, sir. Great honor.
All right.
Thank you, President Biden. Thank you for receiving me. I also would like to thank you. You phoned me yourself upon my election.
75 years of diplomatic relationship with Indonesia and the United States. 75 years. I'm proud that the partnership between our countries is stronger than it's ever been. And today we're going to discuss how we continue to strengthen that partnership.
United States for us is a very great friend. United States supported us in our struggle for independence and helped us many times in our time of need. Therefore, I will work very hard to strengthen Indonesian-United States relationship, and I would like to work towards this end, that we have a strong cooperation. Once again, President Biden, thank you very much for
Thank you. Look forward to our discussion.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Download Tribun X sekarang, menghadirkan lokal menjadi Indonesia.